a bivouac. A nest built entirely from the bodies of the ants themselves. Hidden behind this living wall lies the control centre of the colony, the queen and her most recent young. Day turns to night. It's time to move. Workers transport the newly hatched larvae, while soldiers guard the edges. The reason they proceed under the cover of darkness now becomes clear. The queen herself is on the move. This is the only time she's ever visible out in the open. And the queen is not the army's important traveller. Supersized larvae appear, carried by the workers. These are the young males and future queens who will soon leave this colony and establish their own dynasties. Before daylight returns, the army makes camp.